Yeah, hey guys, so welcome back in the Blender. So today we're gonna work like on a mechanic keyboard or something. So first we're gonna go with this keys. So keys is like 90% of this keyboard. So let's start. So first I'm gonna go here, Shift A mesh, and start with cube. And we're gonna go down here with edit mode and go with 3 to select faces. So X and X this face, and I'm gonna go with ages, like number 2. Yeah, let me make this more. I think this is good. So we're gonna go here, select this H, and go inside view, and S and X, S and Y, something like this, and S and X, like this, and S and Y, or just we can just scale it a little. Then we go here, just face, scale it a little down, and this is cool as a shape. So for a second, I'm gonna go here. I know it's still early, but I love to make it early. So I'm hit Ctrl+2 to add subsurface modifier. As you see here, 2 and 2. 2 for the viewport and 2 for the render. You can change it, but for now this is good. And I'm gonna go with one loop cut like this and bring it down. Ctrl R, and just before release, just bring this one down and another one up, and not too much, like this. And we're gonna go on top here, add like 4 or 3 loop cuts like this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. It goes 7. The more you have, the more details, but this one is good. And I'm gonna go here and any number, and here I'm gonna boost it to the 7. So now we're good. So I'm gonna go here, right view, and just hold Z to go to wireframe. So now we are in wireframe mode. I'm gonna select this metal vertices, and go here, hit O for active proportional editing. What's this here? You can go with this one, or just with shortcut with O. Now we go with G and Z. Just grab it down a little bit, something close like this. Now we have like clean keycap, and for this I'm gonna go select this ages. Just go with Ctrl B for a small bevel, like something like this. As you see, it's clean and have these shapes. So maybe we go smaller. Something with 3 vertices gonna be good. And for the down part here, I love to go with this, select this and hit ES, extrude like this. Then go with E and Z, extrude in Z axis. And as you see, something destroy, but no worry, I'm gonna go with S, but disable this proportional editing. So I'm gonna disable it, and then go with S again, make it smaller. And here I'm gonna set one loop cut. Can add one more wide, and one more here. So another one like this to give this curves. And that was a clean keyboard. So now we're gonna go to layout or whatever we're gonna go. So it's best to find a reference, and for me, I was browsing in Google and find this one. And I think it's enough for my shot or what I need it for. And that's like custom mechanical keyboard or normal mechanical, I don't know. There's nothing for a brand or something, but it looks like this. So we have this all number or the keys, only specific keys we're gonna go through, like this one, and it's absolutely just scale it a little bit, and this one, and this like custom, and all is the same. So we're gonna repeat it, but we're gonna use same texture. So for now I'm gonna go to the top view here, Maybe I want to be in Z axis. Goes plain like this. And for this one, I think I'm gonna go here with shading and just grab and drag and drop. But before this, you need to activate this add-on if you are new. So we're gonna go here with node. This add-on, make sure you enable it. It's gonna be better for you. So if you're kind of new. And I'm gonna drag this down here, just drag and drop and connect it to the base color. And as you see, we have like shift keyboard, we have casting here. So I'm just gonna scale it a little. Now I can model on this or just make it as a layout. So I set my keys. So for me, I'm gonna go here, like I apply everything, an object set origin to geometry, just to add this middle point. You're gonna see here. And then we're gonna go with I to insert face. I think this frame should be good like this, but we not talk about this frame right now, so let's ignore this and just assign our keys. So for this one, gonna be like this. And there's two ways we can use array modifier. We just array all this, or count and make it separate. I don't know, maybe I'm gonna try with you. So I'm gonna go try. I think this one is good. And we're gonna spam like this. And this is okay. We can separate them later if we want to separate them, but probably we're not gonna do this. But for now, this is good. So we can add another array modifier here and make it in this axis and just go. But this is gonna be wrong, and we have some spaces here. So I prefer to just use Shift T and array it like this, and we customize this one. Now as you see, I can go like this one, and this is enough. Then go here. Just use Shift D to repeat them. Here we need 3, so I can go with 3. And another 3 keys here. Rotate to 90 degree axis. I have 4 keys. I'm gonna add one more. I think this one good. And now we have like this 3-1. And for this 3 we can go just for another copy. Like this. And another copy here. And just remove this one. Have this key. And now with the custom keys, so it's pretty simple. So for the custom keys, we need just like copy one key and just drag it like this. For this point, I can go here with, I prefer to just go select symbols, go slash to the fox key. And here I think I'm gonna go zoom in, go with vertices in edit mode. So tap to edit mode, just select one to select vertices, and then we go. I need just to split the key to the half, like this selection. And then just go with G and Y, G and X as your dimension, and sprint like this. So now we have cool key gaps. I know the height is over, so we can customize it. But this for this one. And what colors? We need the shift key, so we're gonna do the same. Better to go with this one here, so it's pretty easy. They already like split it, so it's gonna be easy in selection. Like this. And for this one, it's kind of normal. Shift D again, go for this one. Now to the other wing. I think these keys need to customize it more. But it's simple, it's only 3 keys, so we're gonna fix it. Probably I can go with any key from this. So I'll go with this one. It's kind of boring issue, but when you see it at the end, you're gonna be satisfied, everything's okay. G and X. I think this is good. So for this copy, maybe I go split it to the half and just go move to the tool, and then go play around with these values. Can hold shift and make it manually, something close to this. And for this, it's okay. So now we have this keyboard key gaps, so now it's good. So this is gonna be our texture. We're gonna use the image only. So for the frame, it's pretty simple. So we're gonna go with another cube, or we can use this already. So I'm just gonna go here and disconnect this texture. Now go back and just scale it a little bit, something like this, and the y-axis too. I think it's good. So apply everything. Go set my origin point. Now I'm gonna hit A to select everything, or this face here, and goes extrude. So extrude up like this, at least for this one. Then go with I to insert face. And when you're done, you're gonna go extrude it back to down. So easy, just extrude it down like this. And for now we can tweak the setting. We can just S and Y if you want to make it tight like this, or have that curves here inside. And also we can use the bevel or bevel modifier to add some stuff here. So we can go with bevel, a little of bevel. No, I'm not gonna spam it. These 3 segments, and make this value low as possible to give that sharp edges here. And for customization, if you see this one was pretty heavy, we can lower this count here, or lower this vertices, or the hidden vertices down. So if you care about optimization, but I think I'm gonna use this on just render one shot or something. So I think we can just delete this, but I'm gonna leave this numbers to the end. And for now we're gonna use texture. So let's start with anything here. Got shading. Now we're gonna go with this line. So I'm gonna go here. We record, okay. And use same texture. So I'm already added in Blender. So I'm gonna use F3. Use image texture. And go with this here. And you're gonna find the image you added already in your project. So I'm gonna locate it and color to the base color. And here, this part we're gonna use, we have 2 methods. Yeah, we can work with UV unwrapping, but I think we don't need this. So it's gonna only this face here, or we can project the texture. It's really simple and easy. So if I'm gonna work in Blender and for one shot, I think it's pretty simple to just go here, select that key, and go in top view, cube projection, go in UV editing, like this. But as you see, it's gonna be all same key. So this is one of the problem to go with the array modifier, but I'm gonna copy it. I'm gonna apply it and then separate them. So for now we need just to separate them. So that's pretty simple and easy. So for the first, we're gonna go here and make sure, I want to make sure we already good. So the count is good and everything is okay. So for the first, I'm gonna go here and apply this array modifier. So apply array, and about separate them, don't worry. You can select them all and just hit B to separate and go by loosest parts. So now we have these keys. Every key is like a solo key, so you can see. So we're gonna do the same here. And we're gonna do the same here. Don't apply this subsurface modifier. I'm gonna select them all. Just go apply everything. And as you see this for this points here, as you see every key have this origin point. So I'm gonna select them all and disable this, apply everything, select origin to geometry, and here we have origin point in the middle for every key. So this one is good. Now we should save our project before Blender crash. So maybe we go with one material. So I'm gonna go here with one material, and the keyboard can be like this. So we need image texture, keyboard keys. So for this one, we're gonna use our main texture, or the alphabet, the keys, and we need something else, but let's make it fit better. So I don't need all this around, need only the face. So I can go with this selection, and if we zoom in like this, you're gonna see I think we could, I don't need this edges, but we can go with Control plus. So I'm gonna hit Control plus 3 times. Don't tell me it's crash. Oh, good. So saving was good tips. So we're gonna go here. I'm gonna make this selection like this. Then go with Control plus. So that's good. Maybe go with UV editing for now. And go with top view like this. And don't tweak it like this or this. No, just top view. And hit U and project from view. So now you're gonna have like this key here. So you're gonna set this. And the top key is gonna be red. I'm gonna scale it and move it like this way. And now we have escape. So I just leave this, I make the bottom or the top color here, because all this button I'm gonna give this another material. So I don't care about this in UV editing or that stuff. So this is gonna be clean and gonna be okay, so no worry. So you should repeat this with every key, and that's pretty boring, but I don't know. I want to make it one by one. We can try like this. Goes Control plus, goes U, project from view, like this, and we select this and Control L and link material. So now we have same material, and we need to go with this here. I see dump. Gonna be this key. And this one. So I think if we go with reselection, or if we go like this one, and this one, and go with Control plus plus plus, the new and project from view, you're gonna have 3 keys. So you can go here and set it like this, and then play around with the scale. But make sure just to fix it. Don't go out this edges or this curves here. So you can go with one by one, or just go select them all as you want. But you're gonna assign them one by one. So it's back to you. So I'm gonna try these steps here. this frame. That's kind of boring issue, but you're gonna be good while you listen some music or some stuff. No? But this is good. And when we're done, 1, 2, 3. So 3 with Control plus, and go here, view and project from view. As you see, you have a lot of keys here, and we need to just go link it with anyone here or any key. Control L, link material, then disable the selection like this, and go here again, project from view, and as you see, you can just bring it up. F3, so it should start with F4 like this. Not gonna be aligned perfect, but you can just go at least to same size for them. And then you go one by one. Then go focus with this one. Now we focus with F5, and when we're done, we're gonna cancel it. Move it to another key, F6. As you see, I don't see anything else down. So it's F7. Then ignore it. So it's kind of the same issue, but I think this one is give you fast a little bit, fast movement. But I don't care about fast movement, I care about how to make it with the best quality, I think. So if I can, if I'm gonna make it one by one, I'm gonna make it. If I should make it solo or with that combos here, I'm gonna make this. I think you should care about quality more than timing or than how fast you are. And this, you're gonna do the same with all keys. So I'm not gonna be boring and show all this, but for now I'm gonna go with how to fix this here. So we already have same material, as you see, keyboard keys. So we need this items here. So I want to be faster and tweak this a little. So I'm gonna go with slash. And as you see, we need just selection to separate. So I'm going to select them all. And deselect. And I just want to make anything before cut. I don't remember how this, is it only this? Okay, 1, 2, 3. So we're going to start from this part down. So that's pretty simple and easy. So we're gonna select them all and just go and save view. And we're gonna make this selection in our frame without this top, and go into material, plus, and hit assign. And as you see, new material, hit assign. I think at least one of them work. So this one, yeah. So I'm gonna disable, deselect and select again, and Control L, link this material. I should make it one by one, fuck. Okay, gonna go to edit mode, assign this, same selection. It's gonna be pretty easy, I think. Not too much or not hard. Just a few simple clicks. And now all the half of the keys have the same material. So what we're gonna do? So we're gonna go here and go with, I think we need one more texture. Absolutely, I'm gonna upload this texture with link gonna be in description, so no worry. So for this one, this is like concrete texture or something like wall or dirt effect to break this white or plastic. So I'm gonna go drag this down here in Blender, just drag and drop, and connect this to the base color. Or no, guess I need one key at least. Absolutely not this one. This one should be red, but with the same concrete. So for this one, I think I need Fox with and connect this with roughness and add color ramp in the middle. Then connect it to the base color. But we need something else. We need mix color. Mix color. Now we have two colors here. This one, or this concrete, and same color. So the A color, we're gonna pick from the main texture of the keyboard, so we don't feel this difference between them. I think you should make two material, two different to connect this. And here's the factor. I think I'm gonna try to mix them like this. Multiply, absolutely no. So with the mix color it's gonna be good. And here with roughness, if you didn't want it too much shiny or shit, fixes this. Add one more loop cut. Now it's fixed, so we're good. And we're back to our record. So I guess this was the final result, but we need some fixes here. So the body for this keyboard needs some customization a little. So I'm gonna go with new material and image texture like this. And I think I'm gonna select concrete and connect it to the base color. And don't worry about this shader issue here or this UV unwrap. We can unwrap this or go with the easiest method. So we don't need to unwrap this. We can, but it's simple. So you can go with U and cube projection and everything is gonna be okay for this one. And gonna connect this to roughness and let's disable the base color right now and go here with F3 and color ramp and set it in the middle. And we go like this. I hold Ctrl and Shift to enable this and go something like this one. And about the color, you can customize it as you want. And also about these keys, let's say we want to make some variation here. So maybe you can want to tweak this keyboard like this. So I need to tweak this color too, or this keys. But before this, I'm gonna work on this red color. So on this red key here, I think I'm gonna go here and select this key and go with this custom material down. So let's go slash to focus mode, wireframe, and maybe connect this, and we need this too. So I think this is good, and I'm gonna go with new other material and new one, hit assign, and for this I just need a concrete, and also I need this type of color, so this red one. So I'm gonna go here, this layer and image texture, and I'm gonna pick the concrete one, connect it to the roughness as normal here. About the normals, I forget something, but I think I'm gonna do it next. But let's keep and take same color like this, add color ramp in the middle. I think now we're good, but before this we will talk about some normals, or we're gonna go here about the normal and search for the bump. So we add the bump here and copy this one from the color ramp to the height, and normal bind to the normal like this. And as you see, we add more details like here, like this. For keys we can customize it, make it low or boosted, so as you want. And we're gonna fix this also, this custom here. So I'm gonna go back and go to the colors here and apply the same. So I just need the bump and set the color to the height and normal to the normal. And as you see, the details is added more, so we have more details here. We're gonna do the same in the body and everything. But about this keys, if you look this, you're gonna see there's a difference here. So I can fix this by going with the same tone of the color here. So I figure out we can about this, we can only move like one loop cut like this and make to the top. This is gonna be okay. So I'm gonna give this effect, and it's close to real keyboard, so we're gonna do it. And it's better to use this texture here as alpha or something. So try to find the PNG one. There's only text, don't do my bad. Okay. And move it GZ or X, something close to this. And that gonna affect, so you need just to move all keys up, all these lines here up, and this a little down, this a little down, 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 until the last one. It's gonna be the lowest key. So we have this. Maybe like this, and we go into view. And then deselect this and move it higher. Like this. Go second. This one need to rotate it. This one too need to boost it and then rotate it, or X. This one boosted too, and then rotate it. make it tightly a little. And we can add more extra details like here if you want. Just go with this. Then to give this a little details and apply origin point. So if you want to do this, also you can go make some cables and some stuff, and when you're done, you just copy this with Ctrl J or merge them back. So you're gonna have this this look, and don't make this too much wet like this. Always play around, so you can better make it darker maybe if you want. So now it's ready, and I hope that was useful, and thanks for watching. I'm just gonna fix this alt keys here. This just control with this loop cut, and then I will show you the last render. So the white is okay, and the gray, we're gonna change this this shader here, or this color. So, and about these details, we make another shader and call it gray, like this. And we only gonna change this color. So, and go to the dark keys and change this. If you select this, we have a keyboard keys, and this for the alpha, and this key is here for the rest of keyboard, or the bottom, the keycap here. So I'm gonna just go and change this to the gray, and it's done. So I'm gonna do this with this dark buttons here, only with the dark buttons. Ouch. Make sure you select the second one, gray, second gray. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will catch you later. So have fun.